In this video we are going to obtain ethyl glycidate. My objective is the synthesis of hydantoin from the amino acid glycine. For the synthesis of hydantoin, first the ethyl ester of glycine is obtained, and by the action of urea on this ester, ethyl uriadate is obtained. Glycidate is obtained by the action of thionyl chloride on a solution of glycine in anhydrous ethanol, thus obtaining the hydrochloride, with a good yield of about 80%. To proceed, we put in a 1000 ml flask, 30 grams of glycine and 700 ml of anhydrous ethanol. We put a Glycine joint with a 75 ml pressure equalizing addition funnel and a reflux condenser. In the addition funnel put 60 ml of thionyl chloride. Slowly add the thionyl chloride over the glycine solution with stirring. First the reaction temperature rises and then a white precipitate is formed. Once all the thionyl chloride has been added, the whole is heated at reflux for 1 hour. Set up a distillation apparatus to recover most of the ethanol. Distill until the volume is reduced to 1/4. Allow to cool to crystallize. If it does not crystallize, cool in the refrigerator for 12 hours and shake vigorously to initiate crystallization. The crystals are very compacted. We disperse them with a little ethanol. Collect the crystals by suction. Needle-shaped crystals of white color are obtained. The filtered liquid is evaporated to half its volume and allowed to cool so that the second harvest crystallizes. Collect the second harvest by suction. The crystals obtained were dried in an oven at 60 degrees. 45 grams of ethyl glycidate hydrochloride were obtained, an 80% yield relative to glycine. The melting point was assayed to determine the purity. The value obtained was 135 to 138 degrees. The theoretical melting point of the ester hydrochloride is 145 degrees.